This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and isolating the circuit. Safety prevents bent pins. Locate the IDC latch. Some are hinged, others slide. Insert a thin flat tool or your fingernail under the clip edge and lift just enough to clear the housing, about 1–2 mm. Apply steady, even pressure so the contact teeth don't deform. Once done, hold the lifted clip and position the cable for straight withdrawal. This minimizes wire strain and keeps contacts aligned. You now focus on removing the ribbon straight out. Alignment is critical. Keep the clip elevated and pull the cable parallel to the connector body. This prevents skewing the contacts. If you feel resistance, give a gentle back and forth wiggle instead of levering at an angle, which could bend teeth. Once the cable moves, continue steadily until fully free. Make sure to inspect the ribbon conductors and contact teeth for damage or misalignment, if any look off. Stop and reassess. You're at the finish. To reseat, align the keyed edge and insert the ribbon straight into the slot until it stops. Press the clip down evenly until you hear or feel the click so contacts compress uniformly. This secures gas-tight contact and prevents intermittent connections. If the connector won't latch or pins seem misaligned, don't force it. Use a small pick to nudge teeth back into place and test continuity with a meter. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, re-clean contacts and check cable twist or strain relief for hidden damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.